Hi, welcome to SPL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today my recipe is stuffed chili in South Indian style. Let's begin the recipe. Groundnut, gram flour, white sesame seeds, chili powder, Dhaniya powder, Jeera powder, Aamchur, salt to taste, and some turmeric. I shall just make it into a fine powder. To this mixture, I am going to add in the finely chopped onions, to the chili. I have slit this and taken out the seeds. I am going to fill in This is ready to saute. In a pan, pour some oil, arrange the stuffed chilies neatly. In a low flame, keep turning and roast it all the sides. Close the lid and roast for some time. Now this has taken almost 10 minutes. It's soft and nice. This is ready to serve with hot rice and some dal. Please do like, share and subscribe.